On October 1st, Wisconsin's Department of Health Services issued an Operations Memo that updates an exception to the FoodShare work requirements. Starting October 1st, people will be exempt from meeting the FoodShare work requirement if they live in a geographic area that is experiencing higher unemployment rates than the national average. Now, there was a similar policy in effect that expired on September 30th, 2024. This update essentially renews that policy for that exemption for high unemployment areas, but make note, the areas that are listed have changed. Let's first review the FoodShare work requirement, then talk about that updated policy. Typically, federal law requires FoodShare members who are able-bodied adults without dependents to meet a work requirement to keep their benefits. If you are not able to meet the work requirement, your benefits become time-limited, which means you can keep them for about 3 months in a 3-year period before you lose benefits. Now, the policy that is on the books will keep people on FoodShare even if they can't meet that work requirement in that time period if they live in the following areas. And these are the areas that are experiencing higher unemployment rates than the national average. The city of Racine, counties including Adams, Bayfield, Douglas, Florence, Forest, Iron, Marquette, and Menominee, and members who live on tribal lands. And this policy is effective October 1st, 2024 through September 30th, 2025. The work requirement itself does have other exceptions, not just this high unemployment rate exception. For people that are outside the age range, under age 18 or over age 54, for people who are pregnant or determined unfit for employment, or homeless, veterans, or former foster care youth. You can read that operations memo. We link to it in the description below.